Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create an email marketing campaign using Omnisend. Alright, so the first thing you got to do is create yourself an account, and assuming that you have already done that, you're going to log in and this is what your interface would look like. You're going to click connect to your store and then select the e-commerce platform which you want it to be integrated into Omnisend. So if you have an e-commerce store on Shopify, you're going to select that and you're going to click connect store and follow the prompts. Once your store is connected, you're going to go back to Omnisend and you're going to go to the audience section, which is where you're going to add all your contact list. So to do that, you're going to click add contacts. So you can add a single contact or you can import a contact from a file. Or if you're using another email marketing platform like MailChimp, you can also import contacts from there. So in our case, we're going to import contacts from a file. So I'll select that. And over here, you have to drop your CSV file. So I will use this example file over here for the purpose of this demonstration. And we're going to click next. And then we have to map out the attributes. We have to make sure that the first name tag matches to what is mentioned on the list. So we have first name over here, which says example 1 to 3, which is fine for me. So for instance, this is a correct tag. So I'll just click this icon over here and select first name. So essentially this is the first name attribute. And then this specifies for last name. So I'll select that. For country, I'll make sure to tag it as country and things like that. Then I'm going to click next and I will come to this page where I have to make sure that the status of all these email lists that I have is that they have subscribed to our email channel, which is mandatory. So make sure you select that. And also the phone numbers that you have in your contact list, they are the people who have actually subscribed to receiving messages. So once you select those options, you're going to click next and you're going to click import. And as you can see that our list has been imported into Omnisend. The next step would be to create an email marketing campaign. So I'm going to click create campaign. And over here, we have multiple options. So if you want to create a one-time email, you're going to select this option. If you want to create two different versions of a single email to see which is performing better, which has a higher open rate and things like that, you're going to click this. And if you want to send an SMS campaign to your subscribers, you're going to select that. In our case, we're going to select create email. And the next step would be to enter information over here. So for instance, let's say we are running a Black Friday promo where we are selling ice creams to our subscribers at 50% off. So we're gonna paste our subject line over here, and you can also add some smileys to make it more fun, or you can also add an attribute. So let's say I want to add the name of the person, like their first name. So the subject line would read as, hey, there's a Black Friday sale where you're gonna get 50% off on all the ice creams, John, or whatever their first name is. So I'll add that over here. Next, you can enter your sender's name, and then we have the sender's email address over here, which is going to be pre-selected based on the email address you enter when you register for Omnisend. And then we're going to enter a pre-header over here. So we entered our pre-header, which says sweetest deal of the year, and then I entered my campaign name. So this is just for my organizational purpose, and I am going to click choose email template. So this is the first step that you're going to see if it's the first time you're creating an email marketing campaign on Omnisend. However, if you already have a template set up, you can just use it every now and then and change up the information to save time, and again to make your branding a lot more seamless and efficient as well. So let's say I really like this template, so I'll select that. And now all we gotta do is customize it. So think of this part as something you would do in Canva if you have used Canva. So I'm just gonna go in over here and I want to remove this logo and I want to add another logo. So I'll select this option over here. So I've already uploaded this file in my computer. So I just added it. and I don't want this picture, so I'm going to replace this as well and select this image over here. And now I want to change up the background image, so I'm going to click fallback color and I'll make sure it's white like that. I also want to change the color over here, so I'll make sure it's white as well. And yeah, we'll just make sure everything's white and nice. So next I want to add some text to this email. So I'm going to click email body and it's going to show me a bunch of templates that I can use from. So I'll just take probably one of the templates. I like this one, so I'll just drop that here and I have to enter my text over here. So I'm going to change the text style over here and we will also increase the dimension. We'll make it 20 in our case and we'll make sure it is centered. Alright, so once you have entered your text, I'm just going to go in over here and change my background color. And you can also add a background image if you'd like, just to make it more interesting. But for now, this looks good to me. And for the button option, we're going to keep it as a primary button in our case. So we're gonna select that and we're also gonna get rid of this section over here. So I'll just select that and click delete, and I'm going to click quick add and I'm going to add the button over here. You can click send test email to yourself, so that way you can ensure that everything's working properly, the text has proper alignment, the button is being redirected to the correct landing page and things like that. If all of that looks good to you, you're going to click preview. And over here, you can see how this email looks like on a computer screen and also on the phone screen as well. Next, I'm going to click save and choose the recipients. So over here, you're going to select the email list that will be receiving this email. So I have selected all subscribers, which looks fine to me. So I'll click review campaign. And over here, I am going to review all the details, just making sure everything's accurate. And you can send it now, or ideally, I'd like to schedule it for a later date in future. So let's say I want to send this email on 2nd of December at 3:41 p.m. and that looks great to me. And that's how you can create an email marketing campaign on Omnisend. You can also click the report section over here, which is where you're going to get detailed insights into the open rate, the click-through rate, and the sales it has generated from a certain email that you sent out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.